Alrighty guys, today I'm going to show you how to operate your memory function in your Clearview mirrors. So when you want to use this function, you want to put your car into reverse. Your mirrors will adjust to seeing the wheels. When you're in this position, you want to adjust your mirrors to where you want it. So I'm pretty happy with where the right one is. So now I'm going to switch to the left. I'm going to adjust to the left, so I'll go down a little bit, might come in. Alrighty, so I'm pretty happy with where my mirrors are at the moment. To keep this function, with your mirror toggle you want to have it either pointing to the left or pointing to the right. Once you put it back in the middle position, it'll reset the feature, so the feature won't operate. So to keep this feature all the time, keep it pointed to the left, keep it pointed to the right. So when you put it back into park or drive, the mirrors will adjust to where you had them for the driving position. And then when you put it into reverse, they'll dip back down. So in conclusion, you want to always have your mirror toggle pointed to the left or pointed to the right. So at the moment, I have my mirror toggle pointed to the left. So when I put it into reverse, the mirrors will tilt down. I'll put it back into park. I'll turn it to the right. Alright, so now I'm pointed to the right. I'll put it back into reverse and the mirrors will still tilt down. Perfect. Alright, put it back into park again. And then I'll show you what happens when we put it into the middle position. So when you put your mirror toggle into the middle position, it actually shuts off the feature, so it stops it from working. So when I put it into reverse again, the mirrors won't tilt down, so it'll stay normal. So depending on what you want to see when reversing, if you want to see your back wheels, or if you want to just have a bit of extension, always keep your mirror toggle pointed to the left or pointed to the right.